Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to help you. I'm going to walk you through how to fix error message on your playback page of iQiyi. Now let's say you're watching a content, anime or drama on iQiyi, and then this error message pops up on the playback page. It's an error message on the playback page. What do? The first thing you need to do is clear cache. Restart a playback platform, keep the network connection stable, and try again. If the playback is still unavailable, please send feedback with the specific name and episode number of the series and screenshots on the playback platform. Now, how do you submit feedback? If you're using a mobile app, from the mobile app of the iQiyi app, tap on me, then tap on feedback and submit your report. Then if you're using the web browser, at the bottom of the page of the web, you'll see support and help. Click on it and then click on feedback and submit your report. Lastly, if you're using the TV app, what you do is that you go to settings, tap on feedback, or you can go to me and you get access to customer support. Hope you found this video helpful.